Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are you ready?
Yay.
Okay, climb up your stairs. Hey guys, today I'm bringing you some cleaning inspiration and motivation today. We're gonna do it mommy and me style, and this is gonna be my daily routine for the kitchen and living room. Let's get started. All right, first I'm gonna clean my kitchen. This is just gonna be one of the areas of my house. If I don't put some daily attention and some daily cleaning into it, it's going to quickly descend into chaos. First, I'm gonna wash the dishes, and I'm just one of those people that prefers to hand wash my dishes before running the dishwasher cycle. Whenever possible, I like to use natural or plant-based cleaning products. So the dish detergent that I'm using today is 7th generation, powered by plants, and it works amazing. Trying to get some cleaning done when you have a toddler can be a real challenge. So I like to include my toddler whenever possible. Washing dishes is great. Not only is it water play, which he absolutely loves, but it also helps with fine motor skills. I also use this opportunity to hand wash some of his small plastic toys that get dirty, and that also keeps him engaged and makes it fun for him too. Once I finish washing all of the dishes, I just wipe the sink clean with some dish detergent and a sponge and rinse it out really, really well. I usually get a lot of questions about my son's cloth diapers, so if you're interested, the link is below in the description, and they're Forever My Baby's brand. All right, next I'm gonna move on and start wiping down my countertops. So first I'm gonna have to move some of my home decor out of the way, and this is the time I'm gonna address all of the clutter that started to accumulate on my counters and start putting all of those things where they belong. Don't look at my messy pantry. How I get my pantry organized is going to be a whole nother video. The results are going to be astonishing. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on my notifications and you won't miss out. Now that I have everything put away, I can get started wiping down the countertops. Another natural product that I really love is the Myers Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. I have granite countertops, and this product is gentle enough for everyday use, but powerful enough that it actually gets them really, really clean. Now, once a month, I do use a granite countertop cleaner, and that's going to be part of my maintenance to keep that polish and finish on the countertops pristine. After I make my way around the kitchen, wiping down the countertops, I focus my efforts on cleaning the stovetop. I start with a wet sponge, just wiping down the surface of the glass stovetop to remove any crumbs or anything that's spilled on the surface. All right, next I'm gonna polish the glass. This is where I'm gonna scrub off those hard, dried up stains using the Kwabena glass cooktop cleaner. This product works wonders and it's gonna make those stains come off really easily, and it's gonna bring the glass cooktop to a really good shine. My kitchen has a lot of stainless steel, and one thing about stainless steel is when you have greasy hands, lotion on your hands, it shows a lot of fingerprints. So one thing I like to do is just take a stainless steel cleaner and wipe down all the handles, the knobs, and the stainless steel surfaces to get them nice and clean and make them shine again. Now that I have all of my kitchen surfaces clean, I'm gonna put my decor back where it belongs. There's just something about lighting a candle and having a nice aroma in your kitchen once it's clean that just makes it feel almost complete. I got this candle from Walmart and I just really love this scent. Now I'm gonna sweep first and make sure I get behind the trash can and underneath the cabinets and those nooks and crannies and just get all of that debris that just builds up throughout the day. Now that the kitchen is finished, I'm gonna move on to the living room. This is the most used area of my house, and no matter what I do, it always returns to chaos every day. Having a toddler, there's always gonna be some kind of crumbs and just mysterious stuff in the couch, so I like to vacuum the couch and get in between the crevices and get it clean. For some reason, my toddler just loves making pillow forts, so all of my pillows are like shoved to the end of the couch. I'm just gonna take this time to just kind of do a reset on my couch and restore the aesthetics. I'm gonna fix the blanket, I'm gonna put the pillows back on nice and neat, and remove any toys or other objects that just don't belong on the couch. Sometimes throughout the day, things get spilt on the couch, so I'm just going to use an upholstery cleaner to wipe away any stains that I notice. Since we have dogs, we have the pet version of this Resolve cleaner. We have the Melissa and Doug cleaning set, and it has like a mop and broom and like a little my-sized dustpan, so my son can feel involved with the cleaning too. Now that I got everything cleared off of the couch, I'm gonna take some disinfectant wipes and just wipe down the center console. We're also potty training, so I'm just gonna wipe down the potty too. If you guys have any potty training tips, please leave them in the comments below. I'm trying to teach my toddler to clean up his toys and put them away, but it's a huge challenge, as you can see. For his small plastic toys, I like to put them in Ziploc bags just to keep them organized. I have one bag for his character toys, one bag for his little toy cars, and another bag for his little food toys. Now I finally got my living room all cleaned up and restored back to order. The last thing I have to do is vacuum. For Christmas, we got the iRobot vac, and I absolutely love it. It gives me a little bit of time back so I can do other things like read to my son or just even relax. It's definitely been an interesting addition to our household. My son thinks it's gonna eat him. I love that I can set cleaning schedules for it, and it's also self-emptying. But my dog, on the other hand, I'm not quite sure she's a fan. Well guys, thanks for cleaning with me. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more.